You see, I have been looking for a mouse that is both small and sleek, which looks kind of cute, and especially it has dual connectivity. So that is, you can use a USB connector for it, or you can even use Bluetooth with it, so that you can use it with devices like MacBook without using a dongle. And I think I found the perfect match because this mouse has tons of features that I love. So here we have new mouse from Asus. This is the Asus Marshmallow MD100 mouse, and I've been waiting for it to arrive. So let's unbox it and proceed further. First of all, let's look at its most three important features. That is, it's a silent mouse. You don't hear those clicking noises too much. You have the dual mode. You can use it via USB connector and Bluetooth, and it also offers adjustable DPI for you. So now finally, let's open up this box, and here's the price on it. It's not visible, but the price is 1400 rupees that I bought it at. And let's open this up. Okay, so first of all, here's the mouse cover. So this is a really cool feature that I found unique, and I wanted a kind of a unique mouse. So this is how I ended up. I chose the dark blue kind of a color. This is basically a symmetrical mouse, so both left or right-handed people can use it easily. And talking about adjustable DPI, you can switch between 800,000 and 1600 DPI, and that is basically about the sensitivity. All right, so first of all, you have to remove this pull tab here so that it actually works. And you have the connector here, and you also have this strap, so you can basically hang it, carry it using it. But I'll tuck it away for now. I don't know, I think it'll look sort of weird, I don't know. And let's hide that away, and let me show you how this other mouse connector looks on it. And all right, okay, so let's snap that on securely. And as you can see, this color looks kind of cool. And at the bottom you have several buttons. So there's one button to adjust the DPI and another button to enter the pairing mode, and in the middle the mouse button is off, and at the top it's USB connector, and at the bottom it says Bluetooth. And you have this tiny little indicator to say the mouse is on or whatever, the usual light stuff. And overall, I'm quite impressed with this mouse so far. It has a really nice texture to it. It feels kind of soft in your hand, so it is comfortable to use for longer durations due to that. And it looks very solid. It's well built, and if you just run it here, and even without a mousepad, I can feel how smooth it is. And it can last up to 12 months on the battery, and I think this is definitely a recommended buy in my books.